Hello, this is Walk the Cat. I'm a Japanese. I'd like to show you the way to use kanji in English. If you are interested in Japanese languages, it is very beneficial to understand Japanese languages and Japanese culture also. This is a similar way to the way Japanese use kanji in Japanese languages. Okay, immediately the first question. Question in kanji. Please try to read these sentences. There are three sentences with kanji and alphabet. Kanji, kanji, kanji. This kanji. And can you read this kanji? If you can, please think of yourself, how can we read these sentences? Is a faithful animal. Have a keen oral sense. A mob of youth had been in us for some time. Did you do that? Okay, I'll read them too. 1. A dog is a faithful animal. Sorry. Dogs have a keen oral sense. A mob of youth had been dogging us for some time. So, this kanji means dog. This kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4. This kanji means dog. And is pronounced inu in Japanese. Oh, did you understand? Okay, go to the next question. Sorry. Next question is this. Please try to read these sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences. And these sentences is used kanji and alphabet. Kanji, 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 kanji. Oh, kanji. Can you imagine the meanings of this kanji? What this kanji means? Okay, I'll read them. If you can think for yourself and listen to me. Okay. A bird is flying high up in the sky. From the look of the sky, it will be rainy. This kanji is introduced another movie. Please watch it too. The dog barked at an empty space. I have empty pockets. The emptiness of the cupboard is a good witness of their poverty. Okay, could you read them? So, this kanji. This kanji means sky and empty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This kanji means sky or empty. And is pronounced sora and kara in Japanese. Sora or kara, sky or empty. This means this kanji is mean. This kanji. Okay, did you understand? Go to the next. Sorry. Okay, go to the next question. Not sorry. Next question. Okay, let's try to rewrite these sentences 1, 2, 3, 4. These sentences with kanji and alphabet. Please rewrite these sentences with kanji and alphabet. Okay. Rewrite kanji and alphabet. What words can be changed? Oh, this. Sorry. If you can, please think for yourself. Okay, I'll rewrite too. It is dangerous to let the dog loose. Okay, next. Sorry. Dogs can distinguish a greater range of sound than human. The child wished for the stars. The child wished for all the stars. In the sky. Most trains are fairly empty until 7 a.m. or so. Empty. Could you rewrite them? Okay, let's try these challenges. Done. Challenges. Challenge. Okay. Please try to read these sentences, 1 to 2 sentences, and if you can, please relate these sentences with more kanji. Okay. Living near the leave their to run loose. The airplane was not able to fly in the because it had an tank. Okay, let's try. If you can, please think of yourself. Okay, did you do that? I'll read them too. Capital. People living near the mountain leave their dogs to run loose. People living near the mountain leave their dogs to run loose. Next, the small airplane was not able to fly in the sky because it had an empty tank. Okay. Furthermore, okay, I'll rewrite these sentences with more kanji and alphabet. Okay. People living near the mountain. Leave their dogs to run loose. Okay, look, this sentence, the small airplane airplane was not able to fly in the sky because it had an empty tank. Okay. There are many kanji in Asia, in Japan, in China, also in the world. Please, this time, please remember these two kanji: dog, sky, empty, and please use these kanji in your daily life. And please read Japanese with this. Please read Japanese. These kanjis are used, and meaning is dog, sky, empty, etc. If you are interested in kanji, please watch other movies I made. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Okay? Next time. Goodbye.